Welcome. In this video I will show you how to free up space on Windows 10. So in this video I'm going to show you the simplest and quickest way to do that. First of all, open the Start menu, then go to Settings. Then in Settings, select System, and then select Storage section. And once you open Storage, find temporary files, open them. And now, in order to free up space, you have to select which kind of temporary files you want to remove from your computer by hitting the checkbox next to the available options. For example, you can remove temporary files, you can clean recycle bin, the downloads folder, Windows Update cleanup, thumbnails, Windows Defender and antivirus, DirectX shader cache, etc. And once you're ready, select remove files and then wait until the process is finished, and you'll be notified about the finish of the process right here. So once the Windows is cleaned up, you'll know about it. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.